This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook crescent rolls. First, ensure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is key for a golden finish. Now, unroll your package of crescent dough onto a clean, flat surface. You will see perforations that indicate individual triangles. Make sure your baking sheet is ready, perhaps lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. This initial preparation sets the stage for perfectly baked rolls. Carefully separate each triangle along the pre-cut lines. You should have 8 pieces from one standard package. Begin rolling each triangle from the widest part, moving downward toward the narrow tip. This creates the classic crescent shape we all recognize. As you roll, be gentle, maintaining the dough's light and airy texture. Place your shaped crescents onto an ungreased baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch of space between each roll for even baking. Now, place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake your crescent rolls for approximately 9 to 12 minutes. Exact timing may vary slightly with your specific oven. Keep a close eye on them during the last few minutes. They are perfectly baked when they achieve a lovely golden brown color across their surface. The rolls will look puffed and feel warm to the touch, indicating they are fully cooked through. Once your crescent rolls are beautifully golden, carefully remove the baking sheet from the hot oven. Allow them to cool on the sheet for about 2 to 3 minutes. This brief rest helps them set. For a crisper bottom, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. However, they are truly best served warm, straight from the oven. Enjoy them plain, with a pat of butter, or alongside your favorite meal for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.